Hey, what's up YouTube? On this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the importance of having a financial plan. Many of us have goals and dreams and we have desires to accomplish great things financially, but if we don't put together a plan to actually accomplish that, a step-by-step action plan, then it's pretty much never going to happen. So if you have financial goals and dreams and you want to achieve those goals and dreams, then you're going to need to have a plan, and I'm going to share with you exactly how to put one together in this video. My name is Paris Clough and this is Financial Self-Reliance. On this channel we talk about the mindsets and the skill sets of the wealthy so that you can learn how to manage, protect, and grow your money. If that sounds like the kind of channel you want to be a part of, then hit like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of the videos that I produce. Alright, like I shared with you in the introduction, if you don't have a plan to accomplish your goals, you're probably never going to accomplish them. And usually that plan has to be actionable steps that you can take to be able to arrive at that goal. If you have a goal to be a millionaire, well, what's the plan to get there? If you don't have a plan, you're probably not going to get there. It's a pipe dream. It's something that you're wishful thinking, you're hoping was going to happen. So the reality is that you have to realize that if you don't take the time to set a plan in place, you're never going to make it. Planning takes time. Imagine that. There's no fast food approach to wealth. There's no quickies. You have to invest the time up front so that you can make it to your financial goals. There's just no other way. What is your plan? What are the things that you have developed in your financial plan to get you to where you want to go? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you some steps that you can take to develop a plan so that you can make it to your financial goals and dreams. If you don't already have something in place, or if you don't already have someone coaching you and helping you to develop a plan, then this video is going to be critical for you because I'm going to give you some resources that you can use to develop a financial plan for yourself and get to where you want to go financially. Now, the goal here for all of us is to obtain financial independence. That means different things for different people. Some people, that means they want to travel the globe. Some people, that they just want to have enough money to be able to support their grandkids and have enough gold in their golden years to be able to live comfortably. So the first thing I want to ask you is, what are you doing or what have you done to develop a financial plan? So if you don't have anything, this is what I recommend, and I put this all in the description below so that you can have access to the links. I've recently partnered with a company called Planswell. They make financial planning really simple. They've developed a software that you can use to get a foundational approach to your financial plan, get a kind of a basic overview, a macro level overview of what a plan should be, and then we can take it from there and we can coach you and develop a more robust plan, a more detailed plan about how you can really accomplish the goals and dreams that you have. So this first page I want to share with you is the Planswell questionnaire. It's about 30 or 40 questions that you can answer. It takes you about 5 or 10 minutes to do. If you click the link in the description below, it will take you to this first question is, when would you like to retire? That's a critical key element. Most people want to retire early. Most people don't have the resources to retire early. If you want to retire early, you need to know what it takes to be able to retire in the time frame that you want to have. So this is going to be a critical resource for you to use. So if you click the link below, you fill out the survey, you get your overall macro level plan, then I'll reach out to you and we can go through some coaching ideas. We can go through some different ways for you to be able to really develop a detailed plan for you to accomplish your goals and dreams. So the next resources that I have available for you is my financialselfreliance.net website. This website has great links, has got a lot of good information, introductory information to what you can do. You can see I have here where you can manage, protect, and grow. I have information about our mission. Our 30-day challenge is critical. This is a free 30-day challenge. In this 30-day challenge, I will help you free up several $100s a month so that you can use that money for more productive purposes. For example, I've had people go in here and take this 30-day challenge and they freed up anywhere from $500 to $700 per month to be able to use now towards accomplishing their financial goals. What would you do with an extra $500 to $700 a month? So this 30-day challenge is free to you. It's available for you to take. It's 4 videos. It's about 45 total minutes of watch time, but the information that you'll find in there is crucial. It could save you several $100s per month for the rest of your life. So when you click the Learn More button, it'll take you to this page here where you can learn how to increase your positive cash flow. Take the 30-day free challenge right here and you sign up, put your email, sign up for free, subscribe to the email list so that you continue to get information from me and continue to help you get out of debt, build your savings, invest for your future, and obtain the financial freedom and financial self-reliance. The next tab down here is the Self-Mastery course. This is a course that I've created. It's much more detailed. It's much more robust. There's a workbook to download. It goes through what I call the 7 steps of financial freedom and financial independence. and it tells you everything that you need to know to build financial freedom and financial independence. There's a workbook, I have a Silver Coin Club, there's budgeting sheets, there's member-only groups on Facebook groups and other platforms, annual updates. If you want to master your money, you click that. Right now I have a special going for the first 100 people that get involved. It's $100 off. It's a $197 course, but for the first 100 people that get involved and take advantage of this, it's only $97 for the course. So that's a limited price. Act now. You want to jump on there. That, again, the link is in the description below for that course. I've shared with you that I have different groups available. So on Facebook, you can come and find me. I have a Facebook page where I post things from time to time. I also have Facebook groups where we can interact with each other. You can ask questions. You can talk to me about whatever you're going through. Maybe I have a group for the 30-day challenge. So if you're going through that and you have questions, you can ask them in that group. I have a group for the self-mastery course, so if you have questions, you can ask them there. I'm going to start doing some live Q&As in those groups so that you can have access to more information and more detailed information for those people that take advantage of the resources that I have made available. I have an Instagram page for financial self-reliance. I have a Twitter account for financial self-reliance. And so I really wanted to let you know that I have a lot of resources that I'm working to put together for you to be able to develop a plan so that you can make it to retirement on time. As part of that plan, you need to know what kind of money's coming in. You need to know what money's going out. You need to know what kind of debt you have. You need to know what kind of insurance you have. You need to know what kind of retirement planning you have, what accounts you have, what things are you invested in. Do you have a 401k? Do you have an IRA? Do you have a Roth IRA? Do you have a 403b? What do you have? And so I want to be able to go through and help you understand what you have, what's the difference between a mutual fund and a stock, all the educational things that you need to have. Financial literacy is a paramount foundational principle to understanding what you need to do to achieve financial independence. If you don't understand money, if you don't have an education on the basics of money, you're not going to achieve financial independence, and you're definitely not going to be financially self-reliant. Also in the description below, I have a lot of great things that I can share with you regarding ways to invest your money. One of those resources is Webull. Webull is a fantastic platform to invest your money, to learn how to invest and buy stocks and bonds and mutual funds and ETFs. It's a great place to go to do options trading and other more advanced stuff. So if you are the type of person that eventually wants to learn how to really develop a stock portfolio, then Webull is the place for you to go. If you're more the person that just wants to be able to set it and forget it, or can just set it once and maybe look at it every quarter, every year, and make some changes, and then just let it go for the next year or two, and just continue to contribute month after month, and not worry about a bunch of different what stocks to buy and what options to get and all that stuff, then I suggest M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a great way for you to be able to just set up an account with some great investment strategies, and then just contribute to that month after month, and then just watch that thing grow over time. Everybody has a different personality, and based on what you want to accomplish or what you want to do, I want to be able to help you get to what you want, where you want to go. And so I want to let you know that I have the resources available to help you from a beginner, from brand new to all the way to an advanced user. Whether you use the services and resources that I have available for you, or you use some other resources, just do it. Get a financial plan together. If you have a financial planner that's a relative of yours that you trust, go talk to him or her and let them know that you're interested in finally putting down on paper actionable steps to accomplish your goals and dreams. If you don't have somebody that you trust, use the link in the description below, fill out the plan, let me contact you, let's get together, let's help you develop a plan to get to where you want to go. Your financial goals and dreams are possible. You can get there. You just have to have the right plan that's customized and tailor-made just for you. I hope you have a great day. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.